welcome to my class today. And in this practice today, we will more focus in the shoulder, opening, head release, the tight and bend here as the neck bend. Now let's start together. Slowly sit comfortable, lengthening the spine. Try to put the palm together on the knee. Gently close your eyes. With deep breath inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. One more time. Inhale, exhale. And slowly, gently come together. With deeply open your eyes. We do with some stretching. Now, slowly inhale, raise your hand over the head. Look up. Exhale, slowly put your left hand down and bend to the right side. Look up the ceiling. Inhale, put your hand up. Exhale, exhale, hand up, look up. Exhale, turn to the right side. Look up. Inhale, and exhale. Now slowly drop your hand from here. We go one more pose is here. We go with cat cow pose. One arm measure between two knees, and from here, one arm from the knee to here, and one more thumb, and stay on the tabletop firmly and strongly. Slowly, with inhale, move yourself up, look up the ceiling. Exhale, round your back, look at your belly, chin to the chest. Inhale, look up, press down. Exhale, round your back. Inhale, and look up. Try to press your palm down. Good. Tuck in, show your body. Tuck in the tummy. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Slowly look up. Exhale. Round your back. From here, we do with the shoulder opening. The palm stay firmly. Slowly inhale, raise your hand up, look up the ceiling. Exhale, we make the move twist to the left side. Stay here. If you feel you can, slowly walk the left hand in front. And push more the body to the right side. Stay here for 5 count. 1. Try to don't sink your hip, spread your hip here. Square. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly inhale, raise your right hand up and look back. Stay firmly in the form. Try to square your arm. And now we do another hand. Slowly inhale, raise your left hand up, look at the ceiling. Exhale, we make a deep twist. Try to square, square. Don't turn as if square. Yes, square the body and then stay here firmly. If you feel you can straighten, Your right hand in front. Try to square the body. Square your hip here. Don't turn one side. Square the body. Square your hip. Yes. One, two, three, four, and five. Slowly we support your right hand and slowly inhale, raise your left hand up and release. Sit down on the diamond pose and we can open wider the knee and go with child pose for deep stretching. From here, try to bring your chest touch the mat. You try to lengthening your spine, don't round your spine like this. Don't hunting your back. Try to open more the chest. Open more the chest. Bring the chest touch the mat. Yes. If you feel too difficult to straighten your spine, try to look up like this. Auto spine. When you look back, yes, try to lengthen your spine. Straighten. We feel deep stretching here between the shoulder and whole body deep stretching in the finger. Stay here for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly walk your hand near your body, and from here we will do another posture. You can slowly stand up in front of your neck and we do very simple sun salutation, 3 rounds for Cobra. Tuck in your tummy, slowly inhale, raise your hand up. And try to lengthen your body, slowly bend back. Exhale, forward fold. From here, try to hunting your back. You can bend your knee, but try to straighten your spine. Yes, hand put this side, your feet. Then, if you can straighten your leg, slowly step the leg back. When you step the leg back, try don't knee your chest near your knee. Try to above, don't touch shoulder. From here, try to stay straight and right leg back. From here, front, knee down, chest chin down, Cobra. Inhale, look up the ceiling, and exhale, downward dog. Press down so you can see tuck in on your core here and try to press down more. Yes. And slowly look up between the 2 hands. Step your left leg back. Right leg back. And try to bend your knee. For the one cannot straighten, the key here is try to straighten your spine. Don't hand in your back. Try to bend your knee and straighten your spine. From here, slowly inhale, raise your hand up. Some people when raise your hand up, automatically and bend backward. No, we try to raise your hand up and lengthen your body. Feel like someone pull your on the sky, in the ceiling, and bend. And exhale. Prayer posture. So we will do 3 rounds every morning. This sun salutation, this one help you more flexible and stronger and can release so many